Alright, what is going on, guys? Today we're going to be learning about how to put images into HTML. Now, before I do continue the video, I want to say if you're not subscribed, please consider subscribing. It does help me out a lot, and I do appreciate your support. But without further ado, let's get right into this. So all of the elements you've learned so far, headings, paragraphs, lists, and spans, share one thing in common. They're all composed entirely of text. Now, what if you wanted to add content to your web page that isn't just composed of text, like images? Now, the img tag or the image tag allows you to add an image to a web page. Now, most elements require both opening and closing tags, but the image tag is a self-closing tag. Note that the end of the image tag has a forward slash right here. So let's say, for example, you have image location.jpg, and right here you have an ending image tag right here. Now, self-closing tags may include or omit the final slash. Both will render properly. The image tag has a required attribute called CRC, or the source. Now, the source attribute must be set to the image's source, or the location of the image. In this case, the value of source must be uniform resource locator, the URL of the image. A URL is the web address or local address where a file is stored. So URL stands for Uniform Resource Locator. All right. And our only task for the day is going to be under the media h2 tag right here. Go ahead and use the following URL as a source for the image. All right, so we're going to go ahead and put this under here. So we're going to do image CRC equals boom. Let me get rid of this. There we go. Let me make this a little bit smaller. There you go. Okay. And then right here, we're gonna close it like this. Let me just go ahead and put this tag right here. Run it. And voila. We have an image right here of a bear. Now this is so crazy, guys, because essentially what we did is basically add an image to this, and it looks amazing. It actually looks amazing. Now we have a picture of a brown bear on your web page, and it makes it visually more appealing. But with that being said, that's gonna be it for the day. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.